Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2021 Kenworth, folks. This has a universal mounting kit on the back, 25 by 102 steel bed. Beautiful unit. Truck's a 54,000 GVW with an added 13.2 on the lift axle. PX9 engine, folks. Automatic transmission, Allison 3500 RDS transmission, automatic, excellent condition, 158,000 miles, 315 front tires. As we come around here, folks, nice 75-gallon aluminum tank, beautiful steel bed, brand new, 25 foot long, 102 wide, brand new buyer's toolbox. As you can see, it's all new steel bed. Lift axle tires are 80% to new, 80% tires all the way around it. Steel refurbed rim, universal mounting carries Moffett, Princeton, Loadmac, many other brands. Take a look at 99lifts.com. You can take a look at our trucks, trailers, piggyback forklifts available for sale. This unit's in excellent condition. PX9 engine, 158,000 miles. Automatic transmission, Bluetooth radio, beautiful unit, folks. Lift axle controls in the cab. DOT inspected. It's a beautiful unit, folks. This is Equipment Remarketing. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.